Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Doses. Today I will talk about importance of reading books. Though I have touched this topic beforehand also, but today I'm going to talk about it in more details. And this is a place where I enjoy reading and I devote lots of time reading here. So coming to reading books, it's the first thing which comes about reading. When you read something, it's the knowledge what you get from it, and the knowledge can be a subject matter thing, or it could be something which you have not even touched in your life. When you start reading fiction book, you just don't know about what it is going to give you, and when you read through, you come across different things that it is related to different culture, different people, different ways of living, different ways of celebrating and everything. And actually you feel that you have been part of that thing. So that's a beautiful bond that books gives you. And when you go through with the different characters, you know that character, you can feel that character, so you get a feeling of empathy, and that is something great, and most of us lacks it. But yes, this is something which is something which we don't actually expect when we read books, and we get to know about different culture. And this is a gift, this is a real gift, because you cannot visit every place, but when you read different books, you come across different culture which you have not even been part of, or not you have not known it for a long. And when you come across them, I was reading a book which was about Afghanistan, which was about Africa, and I have never been part of those places or those people, but while reading those, I could understand what the people there go through, how they celebrate their life, whatever they deal with and do in their lives. So it's so great that you get to know so many things that you cannot. So that's an amazing gift that books gives us. And you generate that power of imagination, that is a whole different place. Like, it takes you to a different place which you have not imagined it to be in. And being the part of that book, you can actually be a friend of that character, or you can understand that character so well, and you can hear the person's voice, or you can just be a part of that whole thing. And that's a beautiful way of reading a book, or that's a beautiful bond that books gives you. And when you are stressed, you just go and relax, take some time out, read a book which will actually make you unwind from all those daily activities, and make you in a happier state. And the best thing about books is when I get angry, and when I'm angry on somebody, and because of some situation or something, I just take a glass of water and a book, and just start reading them, and then just get out from all those things, and I just relax and pacify, and that I enjoy that moment a lot, because it takes me out of that anger and that anxiety. And people with sleep trouble do try to read books, and that actually helps them a lot. I've also read that with the reading books, you increase your concentration and your productivity, and that's a great thing. When you just start your day, you read 10 pages, and going through the day, you will have more concentration, more productivity. Isn't that a great thing? I think for me it is a great thing. And with books, the best part is your communication skills improve, your command on that language improves, and you get more comfortable into it. Before stopping here, I'm going to give you some reading tips. First is that you have to be in a well lit place when you are reading, so that your eyes don't get stressed up. And when you're reading book, don't be into the pressure of finishing it out, like I have to finish it today or day after tomorrow or something like that. Don't be so over ambitious when it comes to reading book. You should enjoy and take your time and read book. And once you have started some book and you are not liking it that much, that doesn't mean that that you are not a good reader or something. So you should just stop there and just try and start some other book, and you cannot read for that day, just stop. That may not be a good day for you for reading. So don't get pressurized in that way also. And one way which I actually follow while I read books is jotting down the important lines. I do have my notebook where I do write important thoughts, important ideas, or anything which comes into the book and has like it, I felt that it is important and it is giving me some kind of direction, then I do write it down. And this actually helps me to like go down to the book in a very very small time. Just I just read those lines and I can just understand that well. And you can have a marker or a pen, underline that. It's your book, it's your book and you own it. So just do use a marker or a pen or anything to just highlight those important points, so that while you are like after some times when you feel like that I have to go through this book and I just want to get a quick read of it, so you can just scroll down with those ideas and yeah, I now understand what I have read from this book. So these are few tricks. If you keep in mind, you will enjoy reading more. That's all for today's dose. Now it's your turn to read book and share your comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You do have to subscribe to get more quick doses. And I will be coming really fast to you with a new video. Thank you. Good day.